Are you gonna ride the giraffe around some more?
Yeah.
Ride it around. You're riding the giraffe around on the table. Up. So come on, giraffe.
Oh, this.
Oh, it's okay. You can walk over it. Take a step over it. You riding the giraffe around? You're such a goofball. Let's see. Say poor giraffe. You're riding the giraffe around? Up, down the steps. Oh, we lost the giraffe. Can you give the giraffe a hug and say thanks for the ride? Aw. Can you say thanks for the ride, giraffe?